Damn, son, look at them headlights. They're in, we got the radiator support, but now the moment of truth is to see these things light up. So hopefully the battery has enough charge. Are they on?
Oh yeah.
The halos?
Yeah.
They look sick?
Yeah.
Oh! Dude, those halos are sick.
Turn the lights off.
Oh yeah, turn the lights. Oh boy. It's about to be a good night.
Late night crunch.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is the 2016 HELLCAT that I bought from COPART, and we're rebuilding it. So on last episode, if you haven't seen it, I fixed the front end. The frame was bent. It was tweaked in about 2 inches this way. We put it on the frame machine. We got it all tweaked back, and now the frame is perfect, and we got the crash bar all bolted up. So in today's episode, what we're doing is we're going to start assembling this front end. So what that means is we're going to put the front fenders on. We are going to bolt all this this water pump up and all that stuff, and we're going to also paint this crash bar because we can't have it silver. Even though you don't see it, you know, that doesn't fly. You got to make that look OEM, make it look right. So we're going to get this painted up. We're going to put the radiators in. These are the radiators over here. I guess we can unbox these. So pretty much my whole radiator setup was trashed. This is a new power steering pump cooler. I had to buy a brand new one of those because mine was trashed. And then this is the radiator setup. Look at this packaging. A1.
A1 Marina. Shout out to the boys.
Oh yeah. That's a nice radiator right there. That's a quality radiator.
That right there looks like an $850 radiator. It's way different than the other radiators.
So I bought this used, but it's pretty new. As you can see, this came out of a HELLCAT just like mine, and just this fan alone, OEM price is $800. So we saved a lot of money. I paid, I believe, $780 shipped to my door for this whole setup, and this whole setup includes the fan, the radiator, the condenser, the oil cooler, and then I had to buy that separate. That was another 120 bucks. So it was a lot of money, but better than buying brand new, because brand new, this whole setup probably would have been $1,500. So this is ready to slap in, throw that thing in, but before we do that, we got to paint this crash bar up. So let's, I guess, pull this off and start prepping it and get this thing painted up. Alright guys, so if you look at this frame rail, as you can see, it's like greenish, blackish, something like that. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna mist this in like this, lightly, and try to get this to match as close as possible. This really didn't need to be painted that bad, but there was some bare metal spots, and we want this to be as OEM as possible. So we're gonna paint this up and get this thing looking right. So let's get this thing painted.
all these people at the shop, and no one's trying to give Drew their hand right now.
So you bamboozled? I'm bamboozled. Alright guys, well we're going to call it a wrap for the night. We got the radiators in, we got all the hoses hooked up. I'm missing the clips for the oil cooler. I'm not sure where I put them, I must have lost them, but they're just these two little clips, so I might go to the dealer tomorrow or see if I can get them at the local auto parts store. And then also I need a clip for the power steering cooler. I already put this one in, and then I got to put one in right here. But other than that, we got all the lines hooked up and all that good stuff. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow and we'll be back working on this thing. Alright guys, what is up? It's the next day, or the next night, and we're back here working on this thing. So, I still have to go to the dealership and get some fluids and get these clips for this oil cooler. I wasn't able to do that, but today, or tonight, what we are doing is we're going to put this whole front support, I don't know what you call this, but we're going to put this on, and then hopefully we can put the headlights in too, and also we're going to put the fenders on. So, first things first is we're going to pull this fender off, and then put the wide body fenders on, and then we're going to start working on this and start working to put it on the headlights. So I guess let's start working and get these fenders on. Son, look at this thing. The hood's on, or the fenders are on, and the hood, all the gaps are perfect. So now, dang, that looks freaking sick. Look how sick that looks, especially when the wheels are on. But now we got that on, we're gonna throw this front brace on, I don't even know what you call this reinforcement or whatever. And then we're gonna bolt the headlights in. So let's get this mounted up now. Damn, son, look at them headlights. They're in, we got the radiator support, but now the moment of truth is to see these things light up. So hopefully the battery has enough charge. Are they on?
Oh yeah.
The halos?
Yeah.
They look sick?
Yeah.
Oh! Dude, those halos are sick.
Turn the lights off.
Oh yeah, turn the light. Damn. That shit looks insane. Yeah, bro. Alright, you can hit that, Elias. Alright guys, well that's going to be a wrap for this video. As you can see, the headlights are in, we got the radiator support in, we got the radiators. We're still waiting on a couple pieces. We're waiting on the clips for these oil cooler lines. I'm waiting on this clip for the radiator that clips the radiator to the radiator support. I'm waiting on this bracket. This clips the inner core or whatever to the front crash bar. I could put the front crash bar on right now and put the front bumper on, but we are still waiting on these clips, and also I need the clips that clip on the power steering cooler. So there'd be no point in doing that. But it's coming along, and yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna run to the dealership and get some more parts so we can get this thing wrapped up. So it's coming along real quick, and you know, the wheels are coming in this week too, so that's exciting. So I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.